Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Dear viewers, how are you? I hope so you are all doing well in your life and remain happy and enjoy the goodest condition of health. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am showing you the most beautiful and stylish collection of high heel sandals along with stylish foot to nail art designs and nail polish ideas. For the ladies who are watching my video at my channel, so dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and till my video end. So dear viewers, this video is full of very stylish ideas about high heel sandals. So dear friends, at my channel you can see very stylish and very captivating collection of every type of the high heel sandals. So dear friends, this collection is so elegant and stylish that you love to see each and every heel designs. So dear friends, at my channel video you can see very and stylish every type high heel shoes and sandals along with very trendy and very stylish foot to nail polish ideas. So dear viewers, you can see many types of high heel sandal like casual use as well as party wear or for the office wear also. Along them, you can wear the stylish collection of the sandals in every occasion and wedding ceremony also. So keep watching my video till end because in this video everyone get many more ideas according to your desires and your opinion. So dear viewers, I suggested you to remain in touch with this amazing video for more beautiful and charming ideas of high heel sandals and nail polish arts. Because when you watch this video till end for more designs and more stylish ideas, you will know about beautiful designs and ideas one by one from this video. So dear friends, watch my video and enjoy the best and stylish ideas about high heel sandals. So subscribe my channel and share my video to your family members and friends. Thanks for watching.